Hi everyone! Today the problem shown on the screen will be explained by Ana Sofia and Wendy. The information presented in the membership plans offered by a new fitness gym that has two components. The initial payment of a gym service and the amount established to pay per month. We are required to find a linear model for each plan where the total cost is a function of the number of months. Firstly, we identify the information given by the problem that describes how much the gym man has to pay when he gets the plan hearing.
In the first plan, he has to pay as enrollment fee $79.9 plus $9.9 per month. And in the second plan, he doesn't have to pay anything for the enrollment fee, but he needs to pay $20 per month. Secondly, we will calculate the slope m. For this to order pace with the formula m is equal to rise divided by run.
Thirdly, the corresponding equation will be found using the slope and the order pairs p1 and p2 and substituting their values in the slope point equation form. In this way, we get the equation shown now. Having obtained this information, I would like to plot the graph for this equation for supporting my answers to questions A and B. We will draw point P1 and P2. To answer the question A, we must recall the definition of linear model. The linear model is represented by the formula y equal mx plus b. In other words, that means that b is the enrollment fee and the variable x is the pay per month. So the linear model ends as plan A, y equal 9.9x plus 79.99 and plan B 20x plus 0.
Finally, the question B will be answered by focusing on the graph already shown. The months in the graph are represented by the x-axis, and the payment is represented by the y-axis. According to that graph, the slopes cross in the point coordinates 8,160. Just in that point graph, the plans are equalized. That means that we need 8 months to a member before Plan A becomes more cost-effective than Plan B. We can see it in the graph, because despite the fact that both slopes are constant, one of them is more inclined than the other.
Now that we have already solved the problem, a new question needs to be answered. We came to the conclusion that the most convenient plan for Johnny Bravo is A.
Well, he doesn't know if he needs 3 or 9 months contract, but in case that he stay at the city 9 months, he would pay $10.1 less with the plan A. As we have already mentioned, while the more time passes, the more economical the plan A becomes. On the other hand, if he stays in the city 3 months, but he had to pay 9 months in advance with Plan A, he would lose only $59.94, unlike Plan B, with which he would lose $120.